You're watching part of a series of videos on the 2920 float and tape transmitter. This video explains and demonstrates the capacitive touch display and interface. The display is always located below the main enclosure. The glass is touch sensitive, which allows you to configure the 2920 without removing the cover or needing a hot working permit. During normal operation, the tank level appears in the upper center of the display. The secondary display, which shows the tank temperature by default, can be configured. On the left, you may see an F for field communications, an L for local communications, and an H for heart communications. On the right, there are two hexadecimal numbers indicating the digital input status on top, the output relay status in the middle, and the heartbeat at the bottom of the column. The heartbeat is a visual indicator that confirms that the CPU is running. The touch buttons allow you to access and navigate the menu system. At the top, the buttons are C for cancel and E for enter. The bottom two buttons are minus and plus, which are used to scroll through the menu system and to scroll through selections when configuring the 2920. To open the menu system in the 2920, press E. Use the minus or plus buttons to scroll through the list of parameters in the main menu. To exit the menu system, press C. Now we're going to use the interface to enter some data. First, open the main menu. When system data is highlighted, press E. The options are display only, commands, config parameters, and if you scroll down, all parameters. When configuring the 2920, you will be using the config parameters option. Use the minus button to move to config parameters and press E to open. You can scroll through all of the selections by pressing the minus button. Now let's input some numbers. Scroll down to display timeout and press E. The 6 in 60 is highlighted in the display timeout. You can press the minus button to change the 6 to a lower value, or press plus to change it to a greater value. In this instance, we'll change the display timeout to 90 seconds. Press E to advance to the 0 and press E again to highlight the return symbol. Press E one more time to save the modified display timeout. Now you have a basic overview of menus and making entries. Thank you for watching. Please see more videos on setting different parameters.